Women could be charged with murder if they abort their pregnancy under a proposed law that's moving through the Louisiana House. Erica
Ferrando joins us to explain exactly what lawmakers are trying to accomplish with this bill. Erica.
Well, Sharice and Katie, House Bill 813 is also called the Abolition of Abortion in Louisiana Act of 2022. What it would do is redefine a person to include fetuses. If it became law in Louisiana, it would extend homicide laws to fetuses as well.
I'm here today in favor of life.
Representative Danny McCormick out of Northwest Louisiana is the author of House Bill 813, which would redefine person as including a human being from the moment of fertilization. This would extend homicide laws to the unborn, meaning a woman who had an abortion could be charged with murder.
Both medical and scientific advances over several decades have provided us with a greater understanding of pregnancy and the stages of a fetus, making it clear the act of abortion ends the life of a human being.
Representative McCormick spoke in the Criminal Justice House Committee last week on the bill, which would disregard the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling on Roe v. Wade, regardless of whether it's overturned.
We cannot wait on the Supreme Court to confirm that innocent babies have the right to life in Louisiana.
Multiple prominent pro-life groups have come out against the bill, including Louisiana Right to Life. Angie Thomas does not support abortions, but she doesn't believe women who have them should be treated as criminals.
We have a long-standing policy of protecting both mothers and children. We want to love them both.
Louisiana Right to Life wants to instead hold accountable those who perform abortions or sell chemical abortion drugs, while informing women of resources.
Hopefully we can make sure that women don't have to choose abortion and that they can be supported.
The House Criminal Justice Committee approved McCormick's bill 7-2 last Wednesday.
Thank you, committee.
It now heads to the House floor Thursday for debate. Pro-choice Representative Mandy Landry of New Orleans plans to vote against it.
It's easily one of the scariest pieces of legislation I've ever seen. I mean, as a lawyer, it's offensive. It says that we should ignore the federal government and impeach judges who don't follow this law. But like from a policy perspective and as a woman, I mean, it's a homicide statute. It throws women in jail.
Orleans Parish District Attorney Jason Williams called the bill cruel and irresponsible. He said his office is focused on pursuing the most serious violent crimes. He said, quote, "I cannot and will not shift the priority from tackling shootings, rapes, and carjackings to investigating the choices women make with regard to their own bodies."
The taking of a life is murder, and it is illegal.
If the bill passes the House Thursday, it will go to the Senate for a vote and then to Governor John Bel Edwards' desk. He historically takes a pro-life stance, but he has not said whether he would veto this bill or not.
All right, I guess we'll have to wait and see. Thank you, Erica. State lawmakers have introduced more than 24 other bills relating to abortion this session. One House bill would make it harder for girls under 18 to get an abortion. Another would put tighter restrictions on abortion drugs. Another would let family and marriage counselors opt out of providing abortion counseling.